Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about the upcoming Mahindra XUV 700. Mahindra recently announced the name of its upcoming 3-row SUV as XUV 700. Taking the reins from the ageing XUV 700, the new mid-size SUV will feature completely new exterior design along with the revamped cabin and added features. As spotted, the next-gen Mahindra XUV 700 will be based on the returned monocoque platform, making it longer and wider than the current model. Hence, it will provide a great comparison and competition to the Innova Krista and MG Hector, which will make it difficult for the sales and effect in the sales of those companies. As people and customers compared the XUV 700 with Fortuner and Endeavour in terms of performance and also in off-roading, so this time the XUV 700 is to be offered with both petrol and diesel engines. A 6-speed manual unit could be standard affair, while an automatic unit and an AWD system is likely to be offered as options, and definitely all 4-wheel drive options is to be compulsory for coming. So please relax and keep waiting for XUV 700. As a typical Indian, we need everything in one single go. So the XUV 700 is likely to retain the signature cheetah-inspired vertically aligned 6-slat front grille. The headlamps are likely to be LED units, while an integrated C-shaped DRL design on this inside will be new design for the alloy wheels along with the flush fretting door handles. Based on the several sightings of the prototype model, it is expected to come with an electronic parking brake, new leather-wrapped flat-bottom steering wheel, electrically adjustable driver seat, a panoramic sunroof, dual-tone dashboard, and wide dual-screen layout, housing an instrumental cluster with an infotainment system which supports both Android CarPlay and iOS support. So friends, there are multiple 7-seater SUVs in the market, including the Tata Safari, Tata Harrier, MG Hector and Hyundai Alcazar, and also Kia Seltos. For the comparison of XUV 700 in terms of pricing, the XUV 700 is expected to be launched in July 2021 with a base model of 13 lakh rupees and the top model of around 20 to 22 lakh rupees, which will provide you a great efficiency in terms of power, also which provides you with 2.0 liter petrol turbocharged engine, which provides you with 190 PS of torque, which is a lot in numbers, but I will say that it will give you a less mileage, but for the rest it will provide you a great efficiency in terms of performance and in terms also with safety. XUV 700 is also be compared with the Kia Seltos and MG Hector in terms of panoramic sunroof and in terms of one compartment interior, but as we see in the videos that it will be coming with an extremely awesome interior which will provide you a better feel than Kia Seltos and MG Hector too. The MG Hector comes with great responsibilities and with a lot of problems, and also as Kia is not an Indian company, we cannot rely for the recall of the Kia Seltos. If you are thinking for the safety, then think of the lower model of XUV 700, which is XUV 300, which gained 5 stars rating in the safety measures of global NCAP. So you should be free of mind that it will be safer than the other cars.